Hello everybody, I'm Rian and behind the camera is Matthew. Today we are going to be unboxing the Can Mermaid doll.
Merman!
Right, Merman. So Can Merman doll. It's so exciting. We've been waiting for this doll to come at our place for over a year. So initially they said they were going to ship it out in June or July. I think in June, and then it got delayed for a month. And we got the box literally about 3-4 days ago, and we just now got a chance to unbox it. Anyway, this video is of course sponsored by Maris Equi. I am wearing their fabulous red terry shirt. It's made with terry cloth. It's so nice, and I like that it's a button-up instead of a polo shirt, so you can dress it up or dress it down. It's so versatile. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing.
By the way, this is literally the only thing in my whole life I've ever pre-ordered.
Oh, wow.
That tells you how excited I am for Can Mermans.
So this is a big deal.
Yes.
Anyway, it says it's made in Indonesia, where I'm from. So that is super cool. Anyway, I'm kind of nervous, but so excited at the same time. Here we go. I can already see Barbie, the branding there. Anyway. Ooh! Wait, I should. It's a bit.
Ooh.
Can you guys see it already?
Ooh, I'm gonna have to zoom in. Ooh, now slowly take that wrapper off.
All right.
Can you do it sexily?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Show me that tail.
Oh my god.
Oh. Wow. Ooh. This doesn't look like the original picture. I wonder if...
No, so I saw this concept pictures and then the production ended up looking slightly different.
Oh, do you think it's not going to look like that?
I noticed some of the things are different. I cannot quite tell what because I've forgotten. But anyway, that's what the front looks like. And then on the back, there's a little paragraph there.
King Ocean Can!
Emerging from his aquatic kingdom, the mighty King Ocean Can doll is a tribute to his duties as a warrior and a royal.
I never knew Ken was a warrior.
He wears gleaming rose gold colored armor, which features a shell encrusted breastplate, spolder, shoulder armor, and bicep armbands. Ooh, showing those guns. His regal head adornments an iridescent fin, which shimmers like sunlight in water. Maybe we'll have to test that. Are perfectly suited for this ruler of the sea. All right, are you guys ready for this? Oh, I like that the branding kind of shines.
Open it!
So this is the Barbie signature King Ocean Can. All right, bear with me as I am struggling here. All right, I got it. Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Oh!
Oh my god, this is better than I could have ever imagined.
Oh my god!
Oh, look, they did change his head. That looks like the art.
Right. Here's like a side-by-side comparison, so you guys can see.
Oh my god, this is you're getting a little glare. Let's tilt it forward a little. Wow, that is incredible.
So awesome. Oh my god. This is so cool. I love it so much.
All right. Well, we definitely can't take it out of the box.
Oh, yeah, I agree though.
Yeah.
But look at how huge that fin is.
I didn't know you were a fin queen. Such a big fin.
But you know what I'm most curious about is...
His butt?
No.
I know, me too.
Not the legs.
Do you think there's legs? I bet there's legs under there.
Well, it looks like... Yeah, it looks like it's... You can articulate it. I don't know. But I wonder...
It's glaring. Tilt like that.
Like this.
There you go.
I wonder if that fin is padded or is it solid. And he doesn't look as gay as I thought he would be.
Really? I don't see how he could be any gayer.
I mean, he looks pretty gay, but I don't know. He just doesn't look as gay. And what's also cool is it looks like the arms, it has joints like right where the bicep is, or like above the bicep, so you can kind of like articulate it like that.
That's normal for a Ken doll.
I know.
Ken dolls have articulated arms, don't they?
Articulated, like the entire arms, yeah, but usually what is this called? Elbow. The elbow and the bicep are not.
Okay, why don't we see if there's a way to just take the plastic off without taking... It comes off! Boy, I'm glad I said that.
Oh,
that gets rid of the glare.
Okay, so I can feel the leg is in there. Because here, see?
Yeah.
And this is... Oh, wait, what's that? I think that's his feet.
Do you think there's normal feet under there?
Oh, actually... I don't know.
I don't know either. I can't.
But there's something in there. I think it's I think it's his feet, but kind of going like sideways. I also like that the side fins are pleated.
Oh, wow. Those are neat. And notice the fins. Yeah, he's got a couple different fins.
Yeah.
Neat. Oh, look, he's got long hair.
Yeah, he does. And see, this is what I mean. Like, that is... It has a joint there.
Okay, that's awesome.
I'm gonna be a pervert and take a peek. No, I cannot. It's too tight.
Okay, quit feeling his junk. All right. Is there anything else we need to show? Oh, is there anything on the back?
Yes, so there is a certificate in the back.
Certificate?
The certificate, so ours is number 2740 out of 5,000.
Oh my God, there's only 5,000 of these. This is going to be worth a lot of money someday. It's probably worth a lot of money now. I bet we could sell this for twice what we paid for it already.
Probably. But this certificate basically tells you that this is authentic. And behind that, there's a base for the doll. Mm-hmm. And then right next to it is the stand.
Oh yeah, there's a stand. Okay, cool. All right, well, I don't think we should disassemble it anymore.
Yeah.
We should have bought two, so that we could take one out of the box.
I thought about it, but I thought, yeah, what for, you know? But anyway, this is so well made. I want to play with it. And I love mermen and mer people and mermaids, everything related to that.
Do you happen to know the other Barbie thing I own?
The Star Trek one?
Yeah, I have Star Trek, Ken, and Barbie.
Yeah.
In Star Trek uniforms. It's still in the box too. Quit picking!
Well, I'm trying to pull this up. But anyway, even the tail portion, it is iridescent, and so it changes color, and it's very it's textured, so you can feel the fins.
Yeah, I tell you,
the scale. Sorry.
I am so impressed and so happy with this purchase. There's literally nothing I don't like about it. So yeah, it's great.
Yep. In love. I want to feel this thing. So it looks plasticky, but this part is not rubbery, but it's more flexible than...
So it's like actually string or something.
Yeah.
And you know what? What's interesting is Ken usually ends up like having just like a solid rubber hair. But yeah, he's got real hair in this, so that's nice.
No, it's not. Back then, they made Ken's hair like Barbie's. They're actual real hair, but recent Kens don't have that for whatever reason. I don't know why, but it wasn't always like that. This went on pre-order last year, in the summer of last year of 2021. So in the summer of 2021, this goes on pre-order, and it took a year for them to make this King Ocean Ken doll. There are only 5,000 in production, so it's very limited edition. We are super impressed and super happy with this because look at him, he's gorgeous. So that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you.